Why Mail Backup X is the best mail backup software for all. If you want to back up Mac emails without bothering about email data security, you are going to love Mail Backup X software. If you want to back up Mac emails without bothering about email data security, you are going to love Mail Backup X software. How to back up emails like a pro. If you want to back up your Mac emails, you will only have to follow simple instructions given by the user interface. In just a few clicks, you will be able to manage your emails like you want. Here are some of the top features of this Mac email backup tool. Automatic incremental backups. You can use this tool to automatically set up instant incremental backups. Restore backed up emails. You can restore your backed up emails directly to a live mailbox of your choice. Archive emails in PDF format. You can directly archive your emails in the form of a PDF file. Export emails to any format. The tool comes with a built-in email converter that gives you the chance to migrate your emails from one format to another. Why choose this tool? You should choose this tool if you want to get an easy-to-use and affordable solution that gives you the chance of managing your emails regardless of your skills or experience. You can use this tool to backup, restore, archive and export all major email services without fail. Get the free demo now. You can check out the free trial of this tool right away. Yes, the free demo gives you everything you need to know about email backup and recovery. Buy Mail Backup X for macOS, Windows PC to get the premium version of this tool.